Alright, I am about to start two other briefcases for one client. And I'm going to start from the beginning on these set of videos if you're following me and all my crazy postings on this stuff. This is how I start. The leather comes to me. I get the leather to order each briefcase. The last one, if you follow, came from the Wicked and Craig Tannery. This one is coming from England. This is authentic English bridal leather from the Sedgwick Tannery. So, I want to start right from the beginning when I get these hides right to the end. These are two serious briefcases that I'm doing that's coming up. It's going to take me a while, most likely a couple of weeks, maybe even a few weeks. Given my time, let me load it. Given my time and everything that's going on. So consider this an unboxing video for leather. For the best, finest leather you can find on this earth. Don't come to me with your Gucci or Louis Vuitton, or Hermes or whoever. This is the best stuff on earth. I defy anyone to show me a better tannery. No, maybe a comparable tannery, yes, that makes just as good leather. Alright, I love this stuff. I love the smell of it. Everything. This is two hides. These hides come without the belly. It's just the bend of the hide, the back up to the belly. They cut the belly off for me. I don't bother with that since I don't use it. So be careful to cut into it. Look at this shine on this black. This is English, traditional English bridal leather, the way they were making it for over 100 years. The smell alone, if you were in here right now, this is what great smelling leather looks like. So, this is it. This is two freaking huge hides. These are about 8 feet. These guys. I gotta turn it over. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hang them up front in the store and take photographs so you can get a really great look at them. So unlike that last hide, right? Unlike that last hide that had the belly, this is just the good parts of this animal, of this hide. And this stuff is insane. Here's one, here's two. You can see the inside. That's why I like this leather particularly, because they finish it really nice and smooth. You don't need to line briefcases with this. It just, it's not as refined as a lined briefcase, but it's definitely much more durable. It'll last forever. All right, so J.E. Sedgwick Tannery from the UK. This is two hides. I am starting two big ass briefcases. I'm gonna start my plan and my cut, figure everything out, and then I'm gonna be taking videos and pictures and all that good stuff that helps me get through these cases. So I'm gonna hang these up outside, take some pictures, and I'll post them.